All right, just cut a slab, got it loaded up. And I think I'm gonna cut one more. And then this log will be pretty much complete. Depending on how it looks after I cut this, I might just rip it in half. Either cut it down the center, that way then I can load it up easier. But one more slab should do it. All right, got everything loaded. End of the white oak job. Just gotta put the gate up and we're heading out. All right, this is the end of this log. Let's count up how many slabs we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 slabs. And I'm gonna leave the tarp off of it for 2 to 3 days and then put the tarp back on. And I'm probably gonna go get my sprayer and spray some bifin on these again. Keep termites and bugs out of them. And then we'll let them sit. All right guys, I'm working on this cherry stump. This was my off cut, so the first cut here. Looks very cool. And this was the second cut. Got that crotch figure right there with the bark inclusions. This is the other side. So this is kind of like a thin slab. So if I was to use this piece, this would be the bottom, and I would have to run a bar out here to hold the legs. And then this would be the top, which I would probably just cut along here like that. I don't know, just come up with a design for it, because still got some beautiful wood in here. And then this is the next slab that's going to be cut here. And here's some of that cherry sawdust right there. Got the G888 on the Vevor 36-inch sawmill with a 42-inch bar from Archer. Everything's running good. Tell him what's up, pimp.
Who you ride for?
Here's those 2 cherry stumps. Sorry for my beagle. He's hunting rabbits, but here's a look at that cherry slab here. And then here's the funky one here. That's how the top of the trunk would look. Pretty cool slabs. Had a little bit of decay in that one, but it's all right. This one came out a lot better. And I'll probably just add 3 more stickers and throw the last one up there because it's not that thick. That's what it looks like here. It's got some meat at the bottom, but I'll probably just throw it up there as weight, and whenever it dries, just probably cut the thin part because all that's going to draw real bad where it's cut less.